And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
At 6:42 on this Monday morning, we are tracking very cold weather all across the valley. Looking at the current conditions out there, we're looking at a wind chill advisory in place through 10 o'clock this morning for the entire RGV. Just to our north, that deep purple color, well, that's a freeze warning, but that's if you're headed farther north. For us here in the valley, we're just looking at your wind chill values. Could range anywhere between about 26 and 29 degrees this morning. So as you head out the door, bundle up, layer up. That'll be the key to staying warm this afternoon, even as we're not warming up by much. 37 degrees as you start your day in Garciasville. Good morning to you in San Juan. You're currently at 40. It's 38 in Willamar and 37 degrees right now in Bayview. We have the north wind still elevated, and it's going to remain elevated today, making it feel even colder. But this morning, really having big impacts on how it feels out there. It feels like 27 degrees down that I-69E corridor from Raymondville into Harlingen. Feels like 32 in Brownsville, 30 in Port Isabel, Weslaco, and Edinburg. 31 degrees right now in Rio Grande City and McAllen. Over the next few hours, temperatures will dip down another couple of degrees, and with those elevated winds, it could drop down into the mid-20s. There feels like temperatures could. So just keep that in mind. Also, if you're over central Cameron County, I'm talking about mainly south of the Rio Hondo area, over Royal Gardens, and maybe a few extra sprinkles going up there near Santa Monica. But we are dealing with light rain. It's starting to fizzle out, and we're also tracking a little bit of light rain just outside Port Isabel this morning. So keep in mind that the roads could be a little bit wet, but that'll fizzle out, and we're left with mainly cloudy skies. So as the kids, the ones that have to go back to school today, as they head out to the bus stop, make sure that they are layered up. Heavy coats, hats, and gloves are key to staying warm today. 36 degrees, again, could feel like the mid-20s out there. Those gusty north winds will stay around today, 10 to 20 miles per hour. So 43 this afternoon under mainly cloudy skies is going to feel like the mid-30s out there when you factor in the wind. So 44 is what you can expect in Rio Grande City this afternoon, and as well as Edinburg. 45 in McAllen to 43 in Weslaco, Harlingen, and Raymondville. 42 is the daytime high in Brownsville, and 47 degrees on the island. Notice over the next few days, temperatures go slightly up. So we're on a warming trend, but it is a very slow one. We'll go up to 56 by tomorrow, 68 by midweek, so we'll be closer to our average of 71. But the thing about it is we could have a few extra showers because of a very weak cold front that will arrive Wednesday night going into Thursday. It's a very weak cool down, nothing major like what we just experienced. By the weekend, we're looking at a mild start with a shower possible, and then a weak cool down because of another cold front. But again, it's really not a big deal, and nothing like that Arctic blast that we just got through. But I'll show you how it'll impact the weekend coming up. For the boaters this morning, we have rough conditions on the bay, so we do have a small craft advisory for the bay waters through noon. For the Gulf waters, that small craft advisory will last until 6 o'clock this evening. You'll see seas 7 to 12 feet and even up to 15 feet possible. So for today, 43 degrees, cloudy, cold, and breezy out there, folks. Bundle up. It'll feel like 26 to 36 degrees as the day goes on. For this morning, again, that wind chill advisory in place through 10 o'clock this morning. 38 will be your overnight low, but it'll feel like 29 to 31. The winds will be not as breezy as they are this afternoon. And then tomorrow, partly sunny near 56 by midweek, 68, definitely warmer, a little bit more sunshine on the way. Wednesday night going to Thursday, there's a few showers possible. Rain chances are around 20, maybe even 30% as we head into Thursday. 63 degrees will drop to 43 that night, and we'll rebound to 68 with mainly sunny skies to wrap up the work week. Now, as we head into a holiday weekend, Christmas Eve day will be warm near 75, but the weak cold front will drive temperatures down to 57 for Christmas Eve, and then we're back to 69 degrees, maybe with a few isolated showers possible under partly cloudy skies for Christmas Day. That's your updated First Warn 5.